Learning Spanish for Beginners podcast, session 17, How to Pronounce the Letter I in Spanish. Hi, welcome to a new session of Learning Spanish for Beginners podcast. In this session, we will learn how to pronounce the letter I in Spanish, and we will review a few common examples. If you would like to improve your Spanish pronunciation, you can access a detailed tutorial at SpanishForYourJob.com/pronunciation, where you will find short videos with examples you can use to sound more like a native. Remember, you can access the ultimate guide to Spanish pronunciation at SpanishForYourJob.com/pronunciation. How to pronounce the I in Spanish. In this session, we will take a look at the third vowel in Spanish, the letter I, which is pronounced as a short double E in English, E. Now, let's take a look at a few examples. First, I'll say the word in Spanish, then in English, and then in Spanish again. Here we go. La iguana, iguana, la iguana. El iglú, iglú, el iglú. Igual, equal, igual. Imán, magnet, imán. Intelectual, intellectual, intelectual. Inteligente, intelligent, inteligente. Internacional, international, internacional. Investigar, to research, investigar. La isla, island, la isla. Iglesia, church, iglesia. Ídolo, idol, ídolo. Izquierda, left, izquierda. Iván, Ivan, Iván. Iniciar, to begin, iniciar. India, India, India. Islandia, Iceland, Islandia. Italia, Italy, Italia. Imitar, to imitate, imitar. Imaginar, to imagine, imaginar. Información, information, información. A fun way to remember how to pronounce the vowel I in Spanish is to think of this unexpected situation. 3 iguanas built an igloo. This unexpected mental image will help you remember how to pronounce the letter I in Spanish as a short double E in English, E. Por cierto, by the way, you can get a list with the 100 most common words in spoken Spanish at SpanishForYourJob.com/top words. If you have ever felt overwhelmed with Spanish vocabulary, it's time to focus on the words that are used most often in everyday conversations. Remember, you can get your copy of the list with the 100 most common words in spoken Spanish at SpanishForYourJob.com/top words. If you would like to review a text version of these contents, you can access a PDF transcript of this session at learningspanishforbeginners.com/17. Thanks for listening to Learning Spanish for Beginners podcast. If you're enjoying this podcast, please leave a review and let me know what is your biggest challenge when it comes to learning Spanish so I can help you. See you next time. Hasta la próxima.